Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to fix Park Assist Unavailable Tesla Model Y Easy method. Start by parking in a safe, well-lit area and engaging park. Next, power cycle the car by performing a full vehicle shutdown from controls. Wait 60 seconds, then reboot the center display. If the problem persists, inspect ultrasonic sensors for grime and clear obstructions gently with a microfiber cloth to restore readings. A soft reboot often clears transient issues quickly and without tools, and a full vehicle shutdown resets more subsystems. I suggest starting with the center display reboot while you remain parked, then try a full vehicle shutdown from the controls menu if the problem remains. Allow at least 60 seconds before powering back on and test Park Assist in a slow, controlled maneuver. These steps fix many common glitches before you touch sensors or schedule service. Sensors are frequently the culprit, especially after bad weather or road debris. Gently wipe each ultrasonic sensor with a microfiber cloth and mild detergent if needed, avoiding aggressive scrubbing or direct high-pressure water spray. If you find cracks or loose fittings, note them and avoid driving with compromised sensors. After cleaning, perform a low-speed Park Assist test and walk behind the car to confirm alerts respond as you approach, adjusting as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.